Girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had it. Fuck that nigga, oh yeah. It's time to mix it up and get.
What's good, YouTube family? It's your girl Lena May. I know it's been a minute since I uploaded a video, about a year, but I am back, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Christmas wreath. So let's go ahead and jump right in and get this wreath made. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a wire wreath, some permanent markers. I got 2 packs of these. I got all of this stuff from my local Dollar Tree. I used some clothespins and a glue gun. I did use some things that I didn't mention in this video towards the end, so you'll see those. So the first thing you're gonna do is start off by taking your permanent marker and marking off the color that you want for each clothespin, if that makes sense. So that's what I did there. So I did 3 red ones in a row. Then I went and I did the black. And then the last color was green. And you'll see what I mean once I start coloring the clothespins in. So now I'm just taking the green and marking that. Okay, so next you're gonna want to color in the clothespins, and this will be a great craft for if you have children. This will be a great craft for them because this part is a little bit tedious and time consuming. So this would be great if you had any children to help you out. Okay, following that same process with the green permanent marker, and I did go over these a couple times with the permanent marker. I did not have any footage of going over those, but I did go over just a couple times so that the color would stick into the wood. Here you'll see me going through and just marking the edge of the clothespin. All right, next we're gonna put on the snowman. I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm just fitting it as best as I can here. I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm going to hot glue the wire to the back of the cardboard. And you do have to apply a lot of pressure here because the snowman does tend to like fall off of the wire. So one other thing that I did was I took some floral wire. I cut about 2 inches of that, and then I hot glued that to the snowman, and I actually tied it around the wire wreath to give it a better hold. Sorry, my hair is in the way. Didn't realize when I was recording. All right, so I'm just tying that on so that it's nice and secure. Okay, so the snowman's on there. Now this is one of the things that I did not mention in the beginning, but I just bought some of this, what is this, garland from the Dollar Tree as well, and I added that to the outside of the wreath just to give it a little bit of something. It was looking a little plain to me, so I wanted to spice it up a little bit. All right. And you can take a little hot glue there just to secure it a little bit better if you need to. So that's how it's looking. I also got this glitter glue from the Dollar Tree as well, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the glitter, the silver glitter glue on only the black pins only. You can do yours however you like, but it just kind of looks like snow, so I use the silver glitter glue for that. I also took a blow dryer off camera to dry it a little bit because it was taking too long to dry, just sitting it there. All right. And then as you can see, I also attached a few ornaments. I thought I was recording that part, but apparently I did not hit the record button, so you didn't see me attaching those on. But you can attach that any kind of way. I just used it with a little bit of glue gun and just stuck it to the garland, the same as with the bow. I'm putting some glue on the back of the bow and just attaching it to the wreath. Perfect. There we go. So that is how you make a cute snowman wreath for the holiday. If you like this video, please share it, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays.